Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Clearpay on Temu in 2024. Clearpay is a payment service that allows you to pay for your purchases in installments, making it easier to manage your finances. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Clearpay on Temu. First, you need to have a Temu account and be eligible to use Clearpay. To check if you are eligible, simply add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. If Clearpay is available as a payment option, you will see it listed. Next, select Clearpay as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Clearpay website. If you already have a Clearpay account, you can log in to proceed with the payment. If not, you will need to create a new account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have created your Clearpay account or logged in, you will be asked to provide some additional information such as your address and payment details. This information is used to verify your identity and set up your payment schedule. After completing the sign-up process, you will be presented with a payment schedule that outlines the amount you need to pay and the due dates. Make sure to review this carefully and understand the terms and conditions before confirming the payment. Clearpay will then split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders before each payment is due, and you can also log in to your Clearpay account to check your payment schedule and make payments manually. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. If you are having trouble making a payment, you can contact Clearpay customer support for assistance. Using Clearpay on Temu is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your purchases. Just remember to always review the payment terms and conditions carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any additional charges. By following these steps, you can easily use Clearpay on Temu and enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience.